Right, a very good evening to you all. I hope you're all good. It is Monday, the 24th of July 2023, and we're taking a look at what I would call an extreme heat wave across parts of the Mediterranean. It's been called out today by saying, well, is it that extreme? I know lots of people in the Mediterranean that have said it's not that hot, it's just normal. Well, it's not happening in all parts of the Mediterranean. This core of the heat has been very much restricted to parts of Tunisia, Sardinia, Sicily, southern Italy, and some of those Greek islands, as well as Turkey. Pleased to say that this heat will be pushing out of the way in the next couple of days. The heat wave will be over, and then hopefully temperatures will return back to normal. Well, here we go. This was the hottest spot today in Europe. There it is again. I'm going to try and say it. Disimomanu, 47 degrees, along with Olbia at 47, Capo Lorenzo 47. Now, bearing in mind that the highest temperature ever recorded in Italy is 48.8 set in Sicily 2 years ago. It's very close. So, yes, I would regard this heat wave as extreme, but as I mentioned, it's on its way out. So if we just take a look at the anomalies today, this is the reason why Sardinia particularly has been very hot again. Those anomalies in some places 14 degrees above the average. It's also been extremely hot down in Sicily again, and if we just go back to there, Catania on Sicily, 46 degrees. So the core of the heat is restricted at the moment to those extreme areas as well as Italy. Greece not been quite as hot today as has parts of Turkey, although some of those coasts around the edge have still been very hot. What we're now going to do is we're going to run this anomaly through to tomorrow, and a big change: the cool air from the western parts of the Mediterranean the will be sweeping across. So Sardinia, you're going to wonder what's happened tomorrow. You've gone from temperatures in the mid 40s to highs tomorrow of probably no higher than around about the high 20s, possibly 30, maybe still 32 on the southeastern parts of the island. But that heat will still be in place tomorrow across Sicily. They've still got one more day, as have places in southeast Italy. Temperatures still in that low 40. So I don't think we're going to see a record breaker. I think that heat is on its way out, but tomorrow the heat will be transferring eastwards towards Greece. Some places again 45, 46. So the hot spots tomorrow in Europe, I'm expecting to be Greece. I'm expecting also Bulgaria to start getting in on the action fairly soon. But as I've mentioned, it's been in the forecast now for a few days. That heat is ebbing away. And if we take a look at the anomalies for Wednesday, all parts of Italy have returned back to normal. These blues, -2, -1, 0, representing the deviation from the norm. So back to normal, back to those low 30s there. Just by Wednesday, the extreme heat just holding on towards the eastern parts of Greece, northwest Turkey, Bulgaria, and also Albania before we get to Thursday. And there we go. Much colder air has arrived over the Black Sea. It's arrived over those Balkans. It's arrived over Italy, and temperatures are back to normal, but not before it all goes out with a bang over Bulgaria. So that is it in summary. The heat is now starting to ebb away. A very hot day across Italy tomorrow. Sardinia cools down. By Thursday, the heat just restricted, or should I say by Wednesday, just restricted to Greece and Turkey. Before even there, it all cools down by Thursday. The heat wave will be over. I hope you've all found the forecast useful. I'll be back tomorrow just to take a look at it, just to make sure that it is going to push out the way things will return back to normal. But yeah, it's been fun. I've enjoyed doing it. And as I say, I've learned a little bit of geography in the process as well. Look after yourselves and ciao for now.